A new hire's first day can feel overwhelming. Too much information too fast, and they can end up feeling lost before they even start, which is not the first impression you want to give. But what if you could change that? When you customize training paths in Trainual, you can make sure that you're completing training in a certain order, and you can schedule breaks along the way, which helps make the onboarding experience consistent and prevents information overload. Let's say you're onboarding your new account manager, Rach. She needs to learn about all the foundational elements of your company first, right? Like your mission, your products and services, and how to find her way around the office. When you create her training path, you can make sure that she completes all of her basic training first, delivered to her right on her start date, and she completes it in the right order. After Rach has all the high-level information down, you'll want her to view and e-sign important policies. So you can group all of those together and have her complete that next. And just to make sure she's not drowning in new information, we can add a 1-week break in between these first 2 phases of training. Then it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of her role, so you can make sure that she gets all those need-to-knows next. And finally, she has some extra training to go through, like some nice-to-have processes and some professional development courses. She can start chipping away at projects and adding value before that, so we can put that last. Now, let's see what this looks like from Rach's point of view. When she starts crushing her training on day 1, she'll only see the small batch of content that's required for her first week, which helps her stay focused. And if you need to set up a new hire training at scale, create a training path template to establish a consistent onboarding experience for just one person or a group, like a department or a role. Expectations are clear, there's no fire hose onboarding experience, and your new hires will thank you for setting them up for success from day 1. Start customizing employee training paths and get access to exclusive features starting today.